Let us solve a problem based on symmetrical fault analysis. The question is, a three-phase 10,000 kVA 11 kV alternator has a subtransient reactance of 8%. A three-phase short circuit occurs at its terminals. Determine the fault current and fault MVA. So, a three-phase fault is occurring at the terminal of a particular generator. So, that means a symmetrical fault. The ratings of the generator is given and we have to find the fault current and fault MVA. Okay. So, let us solve the problem. Okay. So, we have to calculate the fault current. So, we know the equation for fault current, that is fault current IF is equal to pre-fault voltage at the fault point divided by the Thevenin equivalent reactance. So now we will always consider the pre-fault voltage at the fault point ETH as 1 angle 0 unless otherwise specified. If this pre-fault voltage is having some other value, it will be specified in the question, and if it is not given, we will always assume the value of pre-fault voltage ETH as 1 angle 0 divided by XTH. XTH is the Thevenin equivalent reactance as seen from the fault point. So here we are considering a single alternator and this fault is occurring at the terminals of the alternator. So the reactance, the equivalent reactance will be the reactance of the generator itself, that is 8%. Okay, so 8% in per unit becomes 0.08. So 1 divided by 0.08, we'll get the answer as 12.5 per unit. So fault current in per unit is 12.5. So we know the equation as ETH divided by XTH. ETH is the pre-fault voltage. We will take the value of ETH as 1 angle 0 if it is not otherwise specified. Now XTH is the Thevenin equivalent reactance. Here there is only one component, that is an alternator. So we have to take the reactance of that alternator. So we will get the per unit value of fault current as 12.5 per unit. So now let us calculate the actual value of fault current. Now we know that actual value is equal to per unit value into base value. So let us write the base value of current. So what is the equation for base current? That is MVA base into 10 raised to 3 divided by root 3 into kV base. That is the equation for base current. We have already studied it in module 1. So now MVA base. So here MVA, it is given that the alternator, rating of the alternator is 10,000 kVA. 10,000 kVA is 10 MVA. So 10 into 10 raised to 3 divided by root 3 into kV base is 11 into 11, and on solving this we will get the value of base current as 525 ampere. Okay, so we got the per unit value as well as base value of fault current. Now let us calculate the actual value of fault current. Actual value of fault current will be equal to per unit value into base value, which is equal to 12.5 into 525, which is equal to 6562 amperes. So the actual value of fault current will be 6562 amperes. So we got the value of fault current, and we have also, we need to calculate the fault MVA also. Okay. So let us calculate the fault MVA. Okay, fault MVA. So we know the equation for fault MVA as ETH square divided by XTH, and as we are taking ETH as 1 angle 0, ETH square will also be 1. So this will be 1 divided by XTH, which is equal to 1 divided by XTH is 0.08, which is again 12.5 per unit. So per unit value of fault MVA is 12.5. Now we need to calculate the actual value of fault MVA. So for that we need the base value. So base value of MVA or base MVA corresponding to this question is nothing but the MVA rating of the given generator, which is equal to 10 MVA. So now let us calculate the actual value of fault MVA. Is equal to per unit value of fault MVA into base value, that is 12.5 into 10 becomes 125 MVA. So this is the value of fault MVA, 125 MVA.